guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journal. Today we will learn how to add multiple photos to your Instagram story. So the first step is go to the Instagram app, and here you need to go to the option of your story. The only thing you need to do is you need to go down here, and you need to pick here, you need to select like some photos, but for you add multiple photos to the history, you need to put like for a few seconds in one picture, for example this, and you got the number one. So you got a maximum, you got a like a limit of photos, and this is the 10 photos you can send in the same time. So if you choose these 3 photos, you pick here next, and the Instagram give it to you 2 options. You can upload that story like together in the option of layout or you can send this story separate. So you pick in layout, and you can upload this image in one story. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.